Alright, here goes nothing. And what's good everyone, it's Matt here and welcome back to my channel. Now that we've unboxed the Samsung S23 Ultra, we're going to be taking a look at a screen protector for it. We've also got two products from Spigen. One is a camera lens protector that goes on the back of the phone, and the other is a clear case that has MagSafe compatibility that I'm super hyped for. I've got a ton of MagSafe accessories from using the iPhone, so this case was absolutely necessary for me. Also, if you haven't watched my first unboxing, please make sure to head over there and let me know if you came from this video. It's always a bit stressful whenever I apply a new screen protector to a new device. This specific screen protector isn't one of those usual ones I buy, since it doesn't have that plastic template that guides the glass onto the screen. I'm really hoping this other method is just as easy. Alright, here we go. So you get two screen protectors. You get two camera lens protectors. A squeegee card. Some stickers, I believe. A non-slip mat. A warranty card. And the instruction manual. Looks like there's a video that goes along with it. Let me watch this video and I'll be right back. Alright, so after watching the video, it looks like this piece goes inside the bottom of the USB-C port. And then you have this template here. You put these holes aligned with it. And then you place it on. Let's see. Oh, this box comes with camera lens protectors too, but I'm gonna be using the ones from Spigen because they go along with their clear case that I'm gonna unbox later. So I'll keep these just in case something happens. Now, I'm gonna go install this. You guys can go watch that installation video and I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. This guy was hiding in the box. It looks like it's the cleaning kit for the phone. Now, let's apply the screen protector. Alright, let's see if I can try to fix this by pulling it real slow. Yep, nope. Let's try again. Okay, yeah, this might not work. Yeah, nope. Let's try with the second screen protector. Alright, here goes nothing. And... okay. Well, let's see if we can fix this time. Cross your fingers. I need to try not to bend the screen protector itself. The first one was just bent all over. It was definitely not usable. I think this might work. Hope you guys are crossing your fingers because I'm hoping this really works. Okay, there's some bubbles here, but I don't think it's too bad. Let me just try to rub some of them off. Oh god, there's a little piece of dust there. I think I got it out though. Alright, now for the other side. This side should be a little easier since the first side is done. So the screen protector won't exactly move. Okay. Now, time for the reveal. I see bubbles. Hopefully this can scrape them off a bit. Oh no, some of these don't come off. I think I heard someone say that if you wait 24 hours, they could come out. I'm hoping that's true because some of these just don't come out. Alright, so that was probably the worst screen protector application I've probably ever done. The plastic template really does help you with it. If you look closely, you can still see little bubbles in there. This is the second screen protector I tried. The first one was just a complete mess. The template moved around and it was just not a fun time. But yeah, I was looking at some reviews on Amazon and some people said that the bubbles come out within 24 hours, so I'm hoping they do, but if not, I'm just gonna have to either get a new one or find one that has the plastic template on. So let's just wait 24 hours. Alright, so up next we're gonna apply Spigen's camera lens protectors. I'm hoping this goes way smoother than the screen protector. Alright, let's begin. So some instructions, a little pick, and then 2 sets of camera lens protectors. I'll read the instructions and let's see how this goes. Now it says press and slide. I think that should be good. Next step says to wow, that was pretty easy. Now that looks clean. Alright, so now that we're done with the camera lens protector, let's skip over to the clear case. Alright, let's get to it. Wow, this looks pretty clean. I'm really hoping the MagSafe is on par with Apple's. I'm assuming it's not, but I'm hoping it's close. Alright, let me clean my phone so we could put this case in. The screen protector is really messing with me. I'm hoping those bubbles go away. Okay, this feels pretty good. Oh, my phone's turning on. Why is this so difficult? Alright. There we go. Alright, let's check the S Pen. Oh, that's pretty easy to take out. So the case doesn't block it in any way. Alright, let's test out the MagSafe now. A quick little sneak peek of the room. Alright, let's go. And, oh, that's solid. Oh, that's actually really strong. What? Does it charge? And it charges. Let's go. That's awesome. Alright guys, it's been a little over 24 hours and as you can see, all the bubbles are gone. They have completely disappeared from the screen. I'm actually so relieved that they're all gone. Overall, I'm really liking this case, especially the camera lens protector that goes really well with the black outline of the MagSafe. I've always been a fan of no cases to keep that awesome aesthetic of the phone, but having a clear case makes it feel like you can still enjoy it. So, would I recommend any of these products? The Spigen products for sure. They were simple to install, it has MagSafe, and feels very protective while keeping a slim design. While I still managed to get the screen protector on properly, I don't think I could recommend something that gave me so much trouble. But hey, everyone has different experiences and maybe I just wasn't installing it at the right angle. I would try for one with the plastic template for easier installation. I will leave links to everything mentioned in this video in the description box down below. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe if you loved it. Feel free to comment anything you'd like to see from this channel and tap on this video here to watch my first unboxing video. Right here. Right here, this one. Or are you still here? Click this video. Right here.